So guys, let's create a new project. Tap on top left button, select the folder where you have your files. Let's go with this one. Now we are inside our sample project. Go to pip. Here we have 4 types of firework overlays. You can download them from the video description. Move forward a little bit so that we can see full bloom firework. Now scale and position it where you like. Go to blend. Then select filter. Let's import one more. Tap, hold, drag, position it properly so that we can have firework one after another. Same, blend, filter, and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.